presenting a pre-owned 2025 Porsche. This two-door coupe has a six-cylinder, 4.0-liter H6 engine with rear-wheel drive and a 7-speed double-clutch transmission. This Porsche is a steal with less than 1,000 miles on the odometer. Estimated fuel economy for this vehicle is 15 miles per gallon in the city and 19 miles per gallon on the highway. This vehicle is in excellent overall condition. Key features include auxiliary audio input, satellite radio, speed-sensitive volume control, smartphone integration, wireless data link, spare tire kit, power windows, window defogger, air filtration, front air conditioning, cruise control, power steering, universal remote, digital odometer, external temperature display, airbags, anti-lock brakes, braking assist, power brakes, parking sensors, seatbelt force limiters, power door locks, stability control, and traction control.